day 3 of our unit 3, benchmark unit 3. Okay, animals adaptations. Okay, so we're going to do compare and contrast. It says reread animals disguises and animals tools for survival. Think about the similarities and differences as you read. And then we're going to work on page 7. All right. Okay, we're going to read the last 2 articles that we read, okay? And this booklet called Animals Adaptations. So we're going to read, oops, sorry. We're going to read Animals Disguises, and then the other one that's called Animals Tools for Survival. So follow along, please.
Short Read 1. Remember to annotate as you read.
Animal Disguises by Maria Garrow. All animals have special features that help them stay alive or survive. Sometimes the way they act or behave gives them an advantage. They also have physical features that improve their chances of survival. For example, animals that hunt for their food are called predators. The animals these predators hunt are called prey. Both predators and prey have traits that help them hide from one another. How do they do it? Many animals have skin or fur that blends into their environment. Their body color matches the colors around them. For example, a green grasshopper can remain unseen in tall green grass. This ability to blend into one's surroundings is called camouflage. The word camouflage means disguise in French. Camouflage is an adaptation, a trait animals are born with that aids in their survival. Camouflage can help prey hide from predators. It can also help a predator remain undetected to sneak up on its prey.
The leaf butterfly relies on camouflage to survive. Camouflage Q and A. Q. Is it a twig? A. No, it's a walking stick. They are insects that live in forests and grasslands on branches and twigs. They keep safe by blending in. Predators, such as birds and small reptiles, have a hard time spotting walking sticks. Q. Is it a giant snowball? A. No, it's a polar bear. They live in the frigid, cold Arctic. Their white fur blends with the snow and ice. From a distance, it is difficult for other animals to see the bears. This helps the bears hunt too. Q. Is it a rock? A. No, it's a stonefish. Stonefish have bodies that look like the coral and rocks found on the ocean floor. They blend into the sand and wait for prey to swim nearby. Then stonefish grab and eat their prey. Q. Is it a sandhill? A. No, it's a horned lizard. They mainly live in deserts. Their sand-colored, bumpy skin and flat body help them blend into the desert ground to avoid being a snack for hungry birds and snakes. Short Read 2. Remember to annotate as you read.
Animals' Tools for Survival by Sue Cheen. Almost everything about an animal's body is a physical adaptation. The Milwaukee Zoo has an Animal Adaptations Lab. On a recent tour there, students learned that webbed feet, sharp claws, whiskers, large beaks, and long tails are adaptations found in many animals. These adaptations help animals survive. The lab doesn't stop there. The free 8-week program, which runs every fall and spring, allows students to do hands-on studies of adaptations for eating, defense, and locomotion. Here's what a recent group discovered. Webbed feet. Ducks and polar bears are born with webbed feet. They have skin or webbing stretched between their toes. This webbing allows the feet to paddle the body through water with ease. It helps animals save energy, too.
Ducks, like polar bears, use their large webbed feet to move quickly through water.
Webbed feet help different animals in different ways. Polar bears use webbed feet to swim faster. Flying frogs use webbed feet to glide through the air.
Polar bears can swim a 100-kilometer, 62-mile, stretch thanks to webbing. Flying frogs can glide through the air up to 15 meters, 50 feet, with their webbed toes.
Sharp claws. A claw is a body part at the end of an animal's toe. Claws are different from nails. Claws have sharp points. Claws have many uses. Like webbed feet, they help animals move faster. Unlike webbed feet, they also help animals climb and hang in trees.
Adding traction, a cheetah's sharp claws help make it the fastest land animal in the world. The three-toed sloth is the slowest land animal. Its sharp claws help it hang from tree branches for long periods.
Whiskers. Whiskers are long, thick hairs. They are very sensitive because they are attached to nerves in the skin. The whiskers detect movement in air or water. This triggers the nerves to send alert signals to the brain. Whiskers can help animals move around or navigate. They also help animals detect danger or locate prey.
Sea lions use whiskers to detect faraway sounds and motion underwater. The fox has facial and wrist whiskers to help it navigate and hunt at night.
Large beaks. A beak is the hard outer part of a bird's mouth. Some birds, such as herons and pelicans, use their large beaks to catch fish. Others, such as macaws and toucans, use them to reach hard-to-get food.
Macaws use their beaks to crack open nuts and fruit. Toucans can reach and toss fruit with their long beaks.
Long tails. A long tail helps some animals keep their bodies balanced. It can also help them steer. Other animals use their long tails like an extra hand to grab onto things.
Squirrels use their long tails to stay balanced. Some monkeys, unlike squirrels, use their tails to swing in trees.
On land, in water, or high up in trees, each animal's adapted body part helps it survive.
Animal body parts. Body part, animal, function. Webbed feet. Duck, polar bear, flying frog. Swimming, gliding. Claws. Cheetah, three-toed sloth. Running, hunting, climbing, hanging. Whiskers. Sea lion, Patagonian fox. Sensing danger in water or finding prey. Hunting at night. Large beak. Heron, pelican, macaw, toucan. Spearing fish. Scooping fish. Cracking open nuts and fruit. Reaching and tossing fruit. Long tail. Monkey. Squirrel. Climbing and swinging on trees. Keeping balance and leaping.
Okay, now that we read both texts, okay, animals disguises and animals tools for survival, we're going to go ahead and complete work on page 7 of your workbook. Okay, so go to page 7 on your workbook that looks like this. Now, it says after reading animals disguises and animals tools for survival, compare and contrast the following categories. So here are the two following categories. Okay. It says, what is the main topic of the text? So animals disguises. What was the main topic? What did he talk about? Disguises. What's another word for disguises?
Camouflage.
Camouflage. Yes. There you go. Now we're rolling. Okay. One type of physical adaptation that helps animals survive is camouflage. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Camouflage. Yeah. And what was the topic? The main idea, the main topic for the animals' tools for survival.
Bodies that help animals.
Yeah. Physical adaptations, right? So body parts. Good. Physical adaptations that help animals survive. And then the main idea, so the main topic was camouflage and physical adaptations, right? But the main idea of it is that animals have adaptations that help them survive, and it's for both articles. Animals have adaptations animals have adaptations that help them survive. And it's the same thing here. Animals have adaptations that help them survive. Do you have adaptations?
Yes.
Actually, you kind of do because you adapt to what the weather is. So right now it's cold. So you woke up this morning going, should I wear shorts and just a t-shirt?
No.
Probably not. Okay, so in the first two boxes, it says, what are some important vocabulary words? What are some words that we learned? Yeah, on the article that says animal disguises. What's the big one that we learned? Disguise. Okay, which is also called.
Camouflage.
That's one. Camouflage. How about the word? Look at the front cover of your booklet. What does it say? Adaptations. What's the animal called that it gets eaten by somebody else?
Prey.
Prey. And the one that does the eating? Predator. Okay, so there are some key vocabulary words there. How about on the other article? Look at the chart. The chart. There's some words there. Look at the chart on page 9. There's some words there. Tell me. Just tell me. Web feet, right?
Long beaks.
Claws. They also talked about adaptations. Swim. I like that word, navigate. Okay. It means to move around through land or like a. I navigated through the maze. Okay, but I still got lost. All right. It says, what is the structure of the text? Okay. Both of them. Let me tell you this. Was it a funny story? No. Was it used to persuade you? No. Was it used to entertain you? Not really. Okay. It was what? It used to inform. So the text type is informational. Oops. Sorry. Way too big.
Too big.
Too big. Too big. Okay. It was informational. It gave you information about stuff. Informational. Okay. It says, what types of graphic features are there? So, besides the text itself, the words that you read, what other things did it have in order to help you understand what was happening, what you were reading? Pictures. Okay, or a more academic word is photos. Okay, photos for both of them. What else? What are the words underneath the photo called? Captions. Those are the words underneath the pictures. They tell you what the picture is about. Okay. And Animals Tools for Survival on page 9. What's that called? That whole thing? On page, the chart. Yes. They gave us a chart to help us understand what we were reading. Okay? Oh, wait. My bad. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Sorry, but not sorry. I hate that. The what type of text is this? Is actually informational. Okay? Sorry. But what is the structure? Okay, is actually called descriptive. And that's for both of them. And informational. Got it.